Ever heard of TransferGo? TransferGo is an international money transfer company offering a wide range of affordable money transfer services. They are effective and also very efficient. TransferGo is used by over 4 million users. With TransferGo, you can now send Naira to your Nigerian bank accounts from the EU and the UK. They have one of the best exchange rates on the market and also guarantee quick and easy transfers to your desired destination. They operate on fixed currency rates, so the money you send is the exact same amount that will reflect in the destination you decide. One great thing about them is that they have no hidden charges and also operate on a 24/7 delivery to the desired account in Nigeria. Transactions are also guaranteed to arrive at the recipient account just 30 minutes after you make the transaction. And this could either be to their Naira or US dollar bank accounts. And guess what? They also offer US dollar cash pickups. Now this is so much better than the old ways of doing things. This is the new and improved way to send money back home to family and friends. One of the best things with TransferGo right now is their referral program. Now, TransferGo is not just a money transfer company. It also rewards its loyal customers with its referral program. Now, all you have to do to qualify for this is to send an invite link to your friends, and you are guaranteed an unlimited £22 reward each time your friend signs up with your invite link and sends £100 between 2 different currencies in the first 6 months. Now, how great is that? What are you waiting for? Do not miss out on this amazing opportunity to earn a few bucks on the side with TransferGo using their referral program. Click on the link in the description box below, download the app, and thank me later. Hey lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys can hear me. I'm off today and I want to get to a discount store very close to me to pick up something that I've always been meaning to get. I saw it online, but I don't trust the price. Besides, I like to see what I'm buying. The screen has gone dark. I hope you guys can see me, but at least hear me. Anyway, I'm on my way to a discount store right now. But it's not really a discount store. It's like, well, they say they're a discount store. Anyway, so you guys, I just want to pick this thing up. I saw it online first, but I don't really trust the price. But then again, I like to see what I want to buy before I actually buy it. I'm not sure of the quality, but I'm just going to try it out and see. Okay, so we're here and I hope they're open. Okay, they are open. It's Halloween season, witchcraft for bonus. So I think I saw it around here. I hope they still have it, because I'll just be too pained. Oh yes, they still. Oh, they have another one. Aha! Oh, really cute lamps here. Really cute. But you guys, this is what I came for. I need this to amp my videos. The price has gone up, father lord. Kilo day? Why so pricey? £12. You said it was £25 before. Who you help? Okay. Well. You guys, I'm just going to take this thing because I can't leave it any longer. The first time I saw it, I think it was about £6 something. And I left it. Now it's gone up to £25, which doesn't make sense. Oh, I'm seeing another one, but this one is not as colorful or as vibrant or furry. There's another one. Ish. I don't really like this one. I prefer this furry one to it. This one is a lot cheaper. It's around £9. I don't know if they have more. Let's look around, you guys. Let's look around. Okay, they have another color over there. Why didn't they just put everything together and see people walking up and down? This is another color, and I like this price. But the material is nonsense. It feels like plastic. On the other hand, this one is so soft and furry. This one feels hard, but the price is £9. There's another color here. Why didn't I bring my tripod? You know what, you guys? What is worth doing is worth doing well. It's worth doing well. I'd rather go for this pricey one. I know that I won't be struggling. You guys, what do I do? I honestly struggled to pick a rug, you guys. The options were just too much, and it all boiled down to just the quality of what I was looking for. I was very cautious of the price, and I wanted something that was going to give me good value. Honestly, I was just imagining and looking back at this video, and I'm like, most people must have thought that something was wrong with me. Like, why was I so such a big deal out of picking out a rug? It was just, I don't know. The difference was just too much, and I had to consider a lot. It was just a lot of money in my head that I was just thinking about. The quality of the grey rug was so poor, but the price was what I could afford. I didn't want to spend so much, but I eventually just left that decision for much later. I decided to browse the store and see if I can find anything else. I saw these really long hot water bottles that look like something that I have to get for this winter, because electricity bills are going up again this very, very soon, and we're just looking for ways to cut down costs. So getting things like hot water bottles and electric heaters and things like that, those things can really, really save you on these costs and things like that. Christmas is here. Some more faux plants. These are £3. They didn't have any more cactus. They are all dead now. And I love all these really cute decorative items. I have one of these at home. I don't know if I should get another one. And it's still the same price. I'd rather get something else. So they have some more of these rugs over here. And I just want to compare the prices. I can't even see the prices here. There's some more. They're all £9. There's also the white one. You guys, I'm torn. I go for this one or this one. I think I'm going to go for these white ones. They look so nice, and they'll be good for presentations.
See you guys, at this point I was just tired. I just decided to go with the white rug and call it quits, but I was tired of looking at different shapes, patterns and prices. Rugs, I was just tired. I just decided to go with this one and close my eye to any other thing I would see. I settled on the white one and I decided to go and cash out, but then something caught my eye and I saw this rack that we have in our bedroom. This is something we bought on Facebook Marketplace, but here it is in the store for about £12. And the name of the store is Pound Stretcher, by the way, if you guys are looking to stop by. Yeah, so I decided to pick up something else that I saw. If you see some of my vlogs, you see that we have this clothing line at the back of the house, and some of those lines have started acting up. So I decided to pick one of these as well to repair the line.
You guys, Christmas things are everywhere now. It's just funny. There are lots of Christmas items on display. Okay guys, we have our merchandise in the bag. Let's go home and sell markets. Alright, so I have a couple of promotional videos to shoot today. So that's why I needed this rug, to just give it a little more presentation and to just amp the quality of, you know, branding and all of that. So I'm heading home now and I'll see you guys when I get home. You guys, Victoria will not kiss somebody. I was just watching her vlog where she went to Birmingham and she met this guy. I don't know, this guy that nearly kissed her on. You can see that someone is making a camera. But then it's even the comment, the voice on that is help me, help me, help me. Honestly, I would have been mad. Like the first one was like a peck. This one now want to hide mouth to mouth. Uncle, shift, please. As in, now some people come very forward though. It's too much. Besides, Victoria, this is what I think of your concert visits to Birmingham. By the way, I know you personally, and I say that you are going to look for man, and you have finally found what you're looking for. I'm joking, you guys. That was creepy. Now it is well. Well, let me go and finish watching the vlog. It was interesting. I just had to pause and make this video. Now hello beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. What's today? I think it's a Friday. Please bear with me, I've lost track of the day. Let me just check and confirm. Yeah, it's a Friday and I just got back from work, night shift, and I ran into a subscriber who happens to be my neighbor. We stay in the same area. I'm still going back to work tonight, but I just feel like vlogging. My people, cold has arrived. Cold is here. This morning I closed from work and I could literally see my breath on the air. Like my hands are freezing right now, freezing. But anyways, I just want to do some chores and do some dishes, clear up the house, and then prepare for work tonight. I don't know how much I'll be able to vlog today, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, so if you're new here, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing and remember to click on that bell notification icon for more content like this. Also, if you're not following us on Telegram, do well to click on the link in the description box. There we talk about coming into the UK as a healthcare assistant. We also talk about the study route as well and just how to prepare for your trip down here to the UK. Okay, I'll see you in the course of the vlog. Bye guys.
A few moments later.
That's how I did not do anything. Just all that thing about plates that I want to wash, I did not wash anything. I'm tired. I want to sleep. I have my hot ginger tea here that I bought at the African store that I took you to. Okay, I just
just want to sleep. I'm pressful. That's my mood right now. Not to sleep, I'm pressful. Alright, you guys, I will see you when I get out of this bed.